letter is the letter B. B makes the sound B, B. Can you say it? B, like bear.
Hi there, everybody. Are you ready to draw a bear? Okay. As always, when we think about drawing something, we're thinking about the lines and shapes that we'll need. I know for the head, I would like to use an oval. I always like an oval. If you like a circle better, you use a circle. I am going to go near the top of my page. Leave a little bit of space and do a nice big oval. There we go. Okay. Now I bet you know what I'm thinking is next. I would like to do the eyes. You can do the eyes different ways. I like to do mine low on the face, and I'm always going to make sure I do one on the left. See how I'm making the L? And one on the right. Okay, here we go. Here's my left eye, colored in circle. Here's my right eye, colored in circle. There we go. What do you think should come next? Thinking about what goes right here. Are you saying a nose? If you are, you're right, and I bet you can guess the shape. Circle or, what do you think? Oval. You do either one. Okay, as always, when we do the mouth, we get to decide, do we want our bear to be happy, sad, mad? You make the mouth fit how you want your bear to feel. I'm going to do him happy. So watch what I do here. I like to think about this mouth as like a letter J and a backwards letter J. So I drew those right below the nose. And already he's starting to look like a bear. So I need something on the top of my bear's head, on each side. What do you think that's going to be? If you said ears, you are absolutely right. So come to the left side again, and we're going to do, it's going to look like a letter C. Watch this. Curved line, one, and a curved line again over on the right side, two. Okay, now just to make those ears look a little bit more real, let's go inside of those and do curved line, curved line. Can you see how they sort of look like letter C's? It's kind of neat, isn't it? All right, we've got the bear's head, so now we need the body. I love to do my bodies like this. I come below the head and I do almost a letter U. And you can decide how big or how small you want that body to be. If you did a tiny one, he'd be a cute baby bear. I'm going to do one just like this. See how it looks like a letter U? It's just a curved line. Okay, now on each side of the body, I'm going to draw the arms. So if I come to the left side, I'm going to do, it's going to just be a curved line. It will almost look like an oval. Watch this. Down, up. Same thing on this side. Down, up. And I've got the arms. All right, I'm missing something else. What do you think it is? Did you say legs? You're right. Okay, let's do this. Now watch. You're going to think I'm silly when I do this, but look what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And I bet you everybody's saying, what? 4 legs? But guess what? Watch when I add an oval below these 2 lines. Here we go. Oval. Do you see what I did? That turned it into a foot. And oval. And there we go. We have our cute teddy bear. Now, of course, you might want to pause the video at this point and color your bear in. You might want to add some cute things like maybe a hat or a tie. You'll see on mine that I've added things like a hat and a vest and a tie, and he looks really cute. So you might want to pause now before we write the word and go ahead and color your bear. Here's what mine looks like.
Get ready to write.
Hi friends, are we ready to write now? Okay, I'm going to take a strip of paper right here and I'm going to use it to write the word bear. You can write yours beside yours or wherever you can fit the word. All right, so whenever I'm thinking about writing a word, I always use my alphabet to help me think about what sounds are in that word. So we said at the beginning that today we were doing the letter B, and that B said B, like bear. So what letter do you think we're going to start with? Did you say bear? Did you say B? If you did, you're right. We're going to use the lowercase b because it's not a name. So I'm going to start right over here. To do my B, I'll start at the top and I will go down, stay there, up, and around to do a nice B. Let's just check it with the B on my alphabet because lots of people get the B and the D mixed up. So I have to make sure I have it going the right way. And I do. Okay, this is a tricky one. B, we've got B, we need B, air, B, air. Now, I want you to yell out what you think it is. I'm hearing some people say E. I'm hearing some people saying A. So you know what? It could be either of those. I'm just learning to spell, so I'm going to try, how about E? So I'm going to start, see this dotted line? I'm going to go right in the middle of it. I'm going to come out, up, around, and up. Okay, put your finger under the B, and let's see what we've got so far. B, 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 r, 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 r. What do you think that sounds like? Are you saying an R? Okay, let's find the R. There it is. Let's make sure we do that right. Come below this dotted line. Go down, up, and curl around. Let's put our finger under it and read what we have so far. B-air, B-air, bear. Okay, my friends. Now, remember, when we're spelling the words, it's a good idea for me to tell you if we got it right or not. We're going to see how close we got. So, let me tell you the real way to spell bear. If you put a B, you are correct. If you put an E, you are correct. Now, some of you, I heard you say A instead of E, and guess what? It actually has an A also. B-air, and an R at the end. Now, did we get it right? We didn't quite spell it right. But guess what, friends? That is okay, because we're just learning how to spell. Look at how close we were. We were so very close. And guess what? I'm super proud of you for just trying. So friends, thank you for trying, and thank you for drawing and writing a bear. I'll see you next time.